England coach Trevor Bayliss says he wants the stumps microphones turned down as emotions spill over in the fiercely fought Ashes Test series with Australia. Tensions have simmered between the feisty rivals, with umpire Aleem Dar at one stage stepping between England paceman James Anderson and Australia skipper Steve Smith, who were insulting each other at close quarters. England's Stuart Broad was also highly animated in his send-off of batsman Peter Handscomb after he dismissed him leg before wicket during Sunday's second day of the day-night Adelaide Test. Read New Zealand thrash West Indies by an innings and 67 runs, go 1-0 up in two Test series. Bayliss said he was not comfortable with the level of sledging between the two sides. "I'd like to see the microphones turned down," he told reporters. "I don't think anyone necessarily has to listen to what is being said, but it's grown men playing a very competitive sport and sometimes emotions spill over." Bayliss denied there was a concerted English plan to unsettle master batsman Smith and the Australian team. "Certainly not. It's just red-blooded young males competing against each other," he said. Read Virat Kohli batted for 2 days, didn't need mask. India dismiss pollution talk after the games, and after this series the blokes are together having a beer with no hard feelings. "It's just the way the game is played." Smith and Anderson were at each other before the Adelaide Test. Anderson declared Australia were bullies, with Smith retorting that the all-time leading England Test wicket-take was one of the biggest sledgers in the game. "I do feel very strongly about the spirit of cricket and the way the game is played," he told ABC Radio on Sunday.